Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can write a plan in monday.com. So whether it is an action plan or a business plan or whatever, there are a lot of templates for this purpose that you can use. So under main workspace, click this blue button, then click choose from templates. Here you have to search for. Alright guys, once you search for plan, you'll get a bunch of templates. You can select basically anyone that you think is relevant to your needs, but for this tutorial I am going to use action plan template. So this is business plan, you can use this one, or you can use budget plan, you can use training plan. um, so this is the template that we are going to use, action template, action plan. Click on use template. Alright guys, so it has created a new board for us in our workspace, and it has added goals for different months, but basically we can write anything, we can manage anything, and you can manage your plans. You can write a plan, you can edit a plan or whatever, and it gives you a lot of options like notes, desired outcome, status, priority, stakeholder. So you can add new plans. If you want to write a plan, you just write it like that, and you add its owner, notes, whatever you like. So this is how you write a plan in monday.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.